Hello everyone, I am Khushi Sharma. I am student of 12th class from Government Senior Secondary School, Siona. So, as all of us know that we all are fighting against novel coronavirus. Our whole country is locked down due to this virus. So, we all have to be well informed about the COVID-19, its diseases and how it spreads. So, the coronavirus is a family of viruses which can cause a range of illness in humans, including common cold and several more forms which are life-threatening. The virus is named after its shape. It takes the form of a crown with protrusions around it, hence its name as coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those who underlying with the medical problems like diabetes, chronic respiratory disease and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through the droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it is important that we should practice respiratory etiquette. For example, coughing into a flexed elbow. At this time, there are no special vaccines or treatment for COVID-19. WHO will continue to provide updated information as soon as clinical findings becomes available. To prevent infection and to slow transmission of the COVID-19, do the following steps. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and use alcohol based hand sanitizer. Maintain at least 1 meter distance from the person who coughs or sneezes. Avoid touching your face and eyes. Cover your mouth when sneezing or coughing. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. Practice physical or social distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel or staying away from the large groups of people. So please follow the lockdown rules and please stay safe, stay home. Thank you.